Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate Agile dashboard in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your homepage where you will click on More from the left panel. And in this drop-down menu, click on Dashboards. In this new tab, click on Create Dashboard from the top right corner, and this pop-up will appear. Start creating your dashboard by giving it a name in this field, and you may also choose to add a short description down here. Next, start adding your viewers for this dashboard, and then start adding your editors. Next, click on Save down here to save your changes. Next, in this new tab containing your new dashboard, you have this right panel where you can add gadgets to help you create an effective and efficient dashboard. Scroll down and look for the gadget or gadgets you want to add to your dashboard. Once you've found a gadget that you like, click on Add down here. And then it will be added to your dashboard. Next, you can also change the layout of your dashboard by clicking on Change Layout up here, and you've got options for different columns here. Once you're done customizing your new dashboard, click on Done right here to save your changes. And that is how you can create the ultimate Agile dashboard in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.